Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Manicured by Jill. So this is a new pilot series that I am doing for wedding season. It's a summer of love. There are tons of weddings and events going on in the summertime. I'm sure you have lots of things going on as well with this summer, which is super fun and exciting. So for this series, I decided to ask for your guys' help to help me coordinate my nails with my outfits. So I'm going to show you in this episode 2 of the pilot series, Style Me. I'm going to show you 3 options for manicures, and I'm going to ask for your help. I'm going to show you a photo of the dress that I'm going to be wearing to a wedding coming up in Boston this weekend. So I'm very excited about that. So you'll see the photo. It's a green dress. It's super pretty. I think it will be perfect because this will be a Boston wedding for July. It's gonna be hot, so this dress is pretty airy and loose and flowy and pretty. So I'm super excited about that. A few weeks ago, I went to Washington for a wedding and I had you guys help me decide on a manicure for that. So that was super fun. So let's get started. I'm gonna show you each one and I'll describe it and we'll go from there. So option number 1 is classic and just simply elegant and stunning and very understated. So this is option number 1. So you can see this is the medium coffin and it's just a very translucent, sheer, shimmery pink. And this pretty much will go with anything. So you really can't go wrong with a simply stunning manicure such as this. I absolutely love this. I love the versatility of this. You can wear it literally for any event. It's perfect for situations where you want to wear an outfit that's a little bit more eye-catching and these just complement it, or you can go super simple and these will be a perfect complement for that as well. So I absolutely love this. And I think it's just universally flattering and it's just really flirty and I love that. So this is option number 1. So just like the last video, the very first one, if you decide that you want to vote for this one, just vote in the comments on this video, on this YouTube video, and this is option number 1. So if you think that this is the clear winner out of the 3 options I'm going to show you today, comment below number 1 and let me know why. Let me know why you like this one. So if you pick the manicure and you vote on it and I pick that to wear for my wedding outfit this weekend, I will send you a discount code to my shop. So that's a fun little prize, and the final reveal will be on my Instagram. Manicured by Jill is my handle. So I will be showing the final reveal there. So this is option number 1. Let's get to option number 2. Option number 2, I'm so excited about. This is going to be a new line that I'm going to be creating for my Etsy shop. Manicured by Jill as well is the title. So you can find that on Etsy. All of these sets are available on my Etsy. This new one though, I'm going to be adding it very soon. So if you don't see it on there as of the date that I post this video, keep your eyes peeled because it will be a new addition very soon. I am so excited about this. It's just so gorgeous. So when you look at this green dress, to me, the color green would go really well with a nice gold accent. So I think green and gold just seem to go really well together for some reason, and I just think that would be gorgeous. So here is option number 2, and I'm gonna show you. Look at those gold accents. I'm in love with this. So the base is a very, very sheer pink, like a translucent pink, almost like a French manicure kind of pink, almost see-through. And the gold is just so pretty. It's a glitter ombre, which means that the gold was kind of sprinkled on the tip and then it just kind of cascades and flows down the nail, and it's just so romantic, so delicate and pretty, and I just absolutely love the wow factor of this. And yet it's still so elegant. It's not overstated, it's not crazy out there, but it's still attention grabbing. So I absolutely love this one so much. I cannot wait to offer this on my Etsy shop. So keep your eyes out for this one. So this is option number 2 for my green dress. So if you think that this is the clear winner, option number 2, comment below on this video and comment option number 2 and let me know why. I love to hear why you guys think your choice is the clear winner. I'm gonna have such a hard time choosing, you guys. So I am going to show you option number 3 in just a moment. So option number 3 is totally the wow factor. I cannot wait to show you this one. It is on my Etsy shop already. It is so pretty, so wow, over the top. I love this one so much. Here is option number 3. Look at that chunky glitter perfection. It's just dancing in the light. This is so fun and attention grabbing. That beautiful jewel tone green, it's like an emerald green, is just so attention grabbing. You just can't help but to notice it in the light. So I love this one because it's bold and it's fun, and I think this would look great with my green. And I think it's just such a wow factor to it that I think this would go really, really well with this dress. And if you guys think that this is the clear winner, let me know in the comments and vote option number 3. This is the stiletto shape, as you can see, with the like pointy tip. And I love that too because it's kind of a bold look. So that's option number 3. I definitely need your guys' help because I honestly don't think I'm gonna be able to choose on my own. This is really a hard decision to make. I'm kind of at a loss. I really love all of these, but for different reasons. So please let me know, help me choose. And if I pick the manicure that you comment on for your vote below, I will send you a discount code to my Etsy shop. So stay tuned for my Instagram reveal with the final winner, option 1, 2, and 3. So get out there and vote. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.